That persistent ache in your joints, the feeling of being swollen or puffy, the nagging fatigue that just will not lift. These common complaints often share a single root cause: chronic inflammation. For many, the journey to feeling better begins in a doctor's office and continues in a pharmacy. Yet there is a powerful and ancient path that leads right back to your own kitchen. This is the pain-to-plate journey, a simple yet profound shift in perspective. It invites you to see the food you eat not just as fuel, but as a form of medicine. Nature has equipped us with remarkable tools for healing, and some of the most potent are waiting quietly in your spice rack. Inflammation itself is not the enemy. It is a vital, natural process. When you cut your finger or sprain an ankle, your immune system rushes to the scene. It sends inflammatory cells and compounds to begin the healing process, resulting in the familiar signs of redness, heat, and swelling. This is acute inflammation, and it is a sign that your body is working correctly. The problem arises when this inflammatory response does not shut off. It becomes a low-grade, simmering fire throughout the body. This chronic inflammation is linked to a vast range of health issues, from arthritis, digestive disorders, to heart disease, and even cognitive decline. Fortunately, we are not powerless against this silent simmer. The choices we make every day, especially at mealtimes, can either fan the flames or help to extinguish them. The standard Western diet, high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, is known to promote inflammation. In contrast, a diet rich in whole foods like vegetables, fruits, and healthy fats can calm it. Within that healing diet, certain spices stand out as true champions. They contain powerful plant compounds called phytochemicals that have been studied for their remarkable ability to modulate the body's inflammatory pathways. This essay will guide you through 5 of these remarkable spices. We will explore the simple science behind how they work in language anyone can understand. More importantly, you will learn easy, practical ways to incorporate these natural healers into your daily routine, transforming your meals into opportunities for wellness. This is not about a quick fix or a magic cure. It is about a mindful, hopeful approach to health. It is about empowering yourself with knowledge and simple actions that can lead to profound, lasting relief. The journey from chronic pain to a calmer, healthier body can begin with a single, flavorful step. Turmeric, with its vibrant, sun-drenched hue, is perhaps the most celebrated anti-inflammatory spice in the world. For thousands of years, it has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine, traditional Chinese medicine. Derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant, this golden powder gives many curries their color and earthy flavor. But its true power lies hidden within its chemical makeup. The star compound in turmeric is curcumin, a polyphenol studied in thousands of scientific papers. It's this active ingredient that makes turmeric a true golden healer. The science is elegant and powerful. Chronic inflammation is driven by molecules that act like messengers, telling cells to stay on high alert. One major molecule is NF-kappa B. Think of it as a master switch that activates inflammatory genes. Curcumin blocks that master switch, preventing the inflammatory cascade. By acting at this level, curcumin dials down the overactive inflammatory response, reducing pain, stiffness, swelling, especially in osteoarthritis. Making turmeric part of your day is simple. One easy method: golden milk. Gently warm a cup of your preferred milk, dairy, almond, coconut, and whisk in half a teaspoon of turmeric. Add a pinch of black pepper and a touch of honey or maple syrup to taste. This warm beverage is perfect for winding down. Or add half a teaspoon of turmeric to your morning smoothie pot of soup, scrambled eggs. Turmeric is safe as a spice, but be mindful with supplements. Curcumin can mildly thin blood. If you're on anticoagulants like warfarin, consult your doctor. Curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own. Always pair it with black pepper. Piperine in pepper can boost curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%, ensuring you get the full benefits. Ginger is a pungent, spicy root that has been revered for centuries, not just for its ability to liven up a dish, but for its profound medicinal properties. Whether you encounter it as fresh, knobby rhizome, a fine powder crystallized candy, its fiery warmth is unmistakable. This warmth is more than just a sensation. It is a clue to its healing power. Traditional medicine systems have long used ginger to treat everything from the common cold, digestive upset, morning sickness. Modern science is now confirming what ancient healers knew all along. Ginger is a potent warrior in the fight against inflammation, offering natural relief from pain and discomfort throughout the body. The primary bioactive compounds in ginger responsible for its anti-inflammatory effects are called gingerols. When ginger is dried or cooked, gingerols can transform into related compounds called shogalls, which are even more potent. These compounds work by inhibiting the production of certain inflammatory chemicals in the body, prostaglandins, leukotrienes. These are chemicals that, when produced in excess, contribute to pain and swelling. By blocking their synthesis, ginger acts similarly to some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, but in a much gentler, more natural way. This makes it particularly effective for muscle soreness after exercise and for the chronic pain associated with osteoarthritis. One of the most comforting and effective ways to consume ginger daily is by brewing a simple tea. There is no need for a fancy tea bag. All you need is a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root. Thinly slice the ginger and place it in a mug. Pour boiling water over the slices and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. The longer it steeps, the spicier and more potent. You can then strain out the ginger pieces and add a squeeze of lemon or a spoonful of honey for flavor. As with any potent natural remedy, a touch of caution is wise. In the high doses found in supplements, ginger can have a mild blood thinning effect, so it is important to consult a healthcare professional if you are on blood thinning medication. For most people, the main concern with consuming large amounts of ginger is potential stomach upset or heartburn. The best approach is to start with small amounts, like in a daily cup of tea or grate it into a stir fry, and see how your body responds. Fresh ginger is generally preferred for its robust flavor and higher concentration of gingerols, offering a vibrant and powerful way to combat inflammation. Cinnamon is a spice that evokes feelings of warmth, comfort, and nostalgia. Harvested from the inner bark of cinnamomum trees, this beloved spice has a history as rich as its flavor, traded as a precious commodity for thousands of years. It enhances sweet dishes and savory dishes. And cinnamon is also a powerful medicinal agent. It acts as a sweet shield for the body, offering a wealth of health benefits that go far beyond its delightful taste, including a remarkable ability to help quell chronic inflammation and support metabolic health. The magic of cinnamon lies in its rich concentration of powerful antioxidants, particularly compounds like cinnamaldehyde, which gives cinnamon its signature flavor and aroma. These compounds are what give cinnamon its anti-inflammatory credentials. Scientific studies have shown that cinnamon can help lower levels of inflammatory markers in the blood. It appears to work by interfering with the signals that immune cells send to each other, which helps to prevent the inflammatory response from spiraling out of control. Furthermore, cinnamon has a well-documented ability to improve insulin sensitivity, helping cells utilize blood sugar more effectively. This is crucial as high blood sugar levels are a significant source of inflammatory stress in the body. Incorporating this sweet shield into your daily routine is incredibly easy and enjoyable. Perhaps the simplest way is to sprinkle half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon onto your morning oatmeal, yogurt, cottage cheese. You can also add a dash to your morning coffee or tea. For a healthy snack, try sprinkling a little cinnamon on sliced apples or pears. This not only adds a burst of flavor, but also helps to stabilize the blood sugar response from the fruit, providing a double benefit. One important safety consideration with cinnamon involves the type you use. There are two main varieties on the market, Cassia and Ceylon. Cassia is the most common and less expensive type found in most grocery stores. However, it contains a significant amount of a compound called coumarin, which, in very high doses, can potentially be toxic to the liver. Ceylon cinnamon, often called true cinnamon, contains only trace amounts of coumarin, making it a safer choice for regular, liberal use. If you plan to use cinnamon therapeutically every day, it is worth seeking out the Ceylon variety for peace of mind. Cloves are tiny, dried flower buds from the Syzygium aromaticum tree, yet they possess an aromatic intensity and medicinal power that far outweighs their small size. Their strong, pungent, and sweetly spicy flavor is a hallmark of gingerbread mulled wine Indian chai. For centuries, cloves have been used in traditional medicine, particularly for dental pain, which speaks to their potent anesthetic and anti-inflammatory properties. Beyond soothing a toothache, these little buds act as a powerful aromatic protector for the entire body. They are packed with compounds that can help reduce inflammation, fight off pathogens, and support overall wellness. The primary active ingredient in cloves is a compound called eugenol. This phenolic compound makes up a large portion of the clove's essential oil. Eugenol is a remarkably potent anti-inflammatory agent. Research shows it inhibits COX enzymes, similar to some over-the-counter pain relievers. By blocking these pathways, eugenol can reduce the inflammatory response and related pain and swelling. Given their intense flavor, a little bit goes a long way. An easy and pleasant way to use them is to add 1 or 2 whole cloves to your cup when brewing tea, black tea, green tea, ginger tea. You can also add a small pinch of ground cloves to your morning oatmeal or to a smoothie. In cooking, they are a fantastic addition to hearty stews, lentil soups, or rice pilafs, where their strong flavor can meld beautifully with other ingredients while imparting their protective properties. A critical safety note pertains to the distinction between the whole or ground spice and clove oil. Clove essential oil is extremely concentrated and potent. It should never be ingested directly, as it can be toxic and cause significant harm. When used in cooking or as a whole spice in teas, cloves are perfectly safe for most people. The small culinary amounts provide all the health benefits without the risks associated with the concentrated oil. So, stick to using the spice in its natural form, and you can safely enjoy the powerful protection that these tiny aromatic buds have to offer your body. Section 6. Black pepper, the king of spices, is arguably the most ubiquitous seasoning on tables around the world. Its mild heat and pungent flavor are so common that we often take its presence for granted, seeing it as a simple counterpart to salt. However, this humble peppercorn is far more than just a flavor enhancer. It is a surprisingly potent medicinal spice with anti-inflammatory properties. More importantly, it plays a unique role as a bioenhancer, helping the body absorb other nutrients and compounds more effectively. This makes black pepper an indispensable ally in natural anti-inflammatory regimens. The key to black pepper's power is an alkaloid called piperine. Piperine gives pepper its spicy bite. It has modest anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, but its biggest role is boosting bioavailability. Many beneficial compounds, like curcumin in turmeric, are poorly absorbed. They are quickly metabolized by the liver and excreted before full benefit. Piperine inhibits some digestive enzymes that would break these compounds down, allowing them to stay in the bloodstream longer and at higher concentrations. Always pair black pepper with turmeric. When you add turmeric to a soup, add a pinch of black pepper. When you add turmeric to a curry, add a pinch of black pepper. When you add turmeric to a smoothie, add a pinch of black pepper. When you add turmeric to golden milk, add a pinch of black pepper. This simple act can amplify curcumin absorption by an astonishing 2,000%. It transforms turmeric from mildly beneficial to a therapeutic powerhouse. Beyond the pairing, use fresh ground pepper on daily meals, on salads, eggs, roasted vegetables, and proteins. While black pepper is safe for most people, its absorption-enhancing effect can, in theory, affect some medications. That's mainly a concern with high-dose piperine supplements. Culinary amounts are unlikely to cause issues. Some people with sensitive stomachs may find large amounts irritating or cause heartburn. As always, listen to your body. Using pepper daily is a safe, simple, and effective way to unlock other healing spices. In the world of natural medicine, the concept of synergy is paramount. The combined effect can be greater than the sum of parts. This is true for anti-inflammatory spices. Visual: turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper. Each is powerful alone, but stronger together. They act on different inflammatory pathways, creating a multi-pronged approach to calming the body's overactive immune response. Think of them as a harmonious ensemble. Imagine the body's inflammatory system as a network of switches and levers. Turmeric's curcumin blocks the master NF-kappa B switch. Ginger inhibits COX enzymes. Cloves inhibit COX enzymes. Cinnamon helps manage inflammatory stress caused by high blood sugar, and black pepper acts as the facilitator, boosting absorption of other compounds. By combining them, you address inflammation from multiple angles simultaneously. That creates a broader, more effective anti-inflammatory shield for your body. Creating your own synergistic spice blends is simple and creative. 4 parts turmeric powder, 2 parts ground ginger, 2 parts ground cinnamon, and 1 part ground black pepper. Mix and store in a sealed jar. Sprinkle this blend into smoothies, stir it into oatmeal, add it to soups and stews, or use it as a rub for roasted vegetables or chicken. Another way to embrace this synergy is a daily tea ritual. Simmer a black tea bag with fresh ginger slices, add a cinnamon stick, 2 or 3 whole cloves, and a couple of black peppercorns. Simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain the tea and add a touch of sweetener if you like. This delicious beverage is a liquid dose of synergistic anti-inflammatory medicine. While incorporating these 5 powerful spices into your diet is a fantastic and effective step, it is important to view them as part of a larger, more holistic picture of health. Spices are powerful allies, but they are not magic bullets. They work best when supported by a lifestyle that actively discourages inflammation. Lasting relief comes from a comprehensive approach: diet, movement, rest, stress. These pillars help the spices do their best work. Your overall dietary pattern is the foundation. You can add all the turmeric in the world, but if your diet is full of inflammatory triggers, you'll be fighting an uphill battle. Reduce or eliminate refined sugar, white flour, processed foods with long ingredient lists, unhealthy trans fats. Increase anti-inflammatory foods, colorful vegetables and fruits, avocados, nuts, olive oil, lean proteins, salmon. Chronic stress raises cortisol, driving inflammation. Lack of quality sleep disrupts repair and raises inflammatory markers. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. Add stress-reducing practices, mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, quiet time in nature to calm your nervous system and the inflammatory fire within. Embarking on a journey to naturally reduce inflammation can feel overwhelming, but it does not have to be. The most profound changes often begin with the smallest, most manageable steps. Instead of trying to do everything at once, build simple, sustainable habits you can integrate into your routine. You can begin this healing process right now in your own kitchen. Here's a clear 3-step action plan to start today. First, choose your starting players. Look at the 5 spices we discussed. Turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, black pepper. Pick just 2 that appeal to you most. Maybe you enjoy ginger's taste. Maybe you're intrigued by golden milk with turmeric. By starting with 2, it's less intimidating and easier to remember. Example pair: cinnamon in your morning coffee, ginger in an evening tea. This builds confidence before expanding. Remember, if you choose turmeric, include black pepper. Second, commit to one simple daily recipe. Consistency is the key. Choose one easy, specific way to use your spices for the next week. For example, every morning, sprinkle half a teaspoon of cinnamon on oatmeal. Every evening, drink 1 cup of fresh ginger tea after dinner. Make it non-negotiable, like brushing your teeth. A concrete plan removes guesswork and helps you follow through. This daily ritual is your first active step on the pain-to-plate path. Third, listen and observe. Practice mindful awareness. Use a small notebook or a notes app and jot a few words each day. How are your energy levels? How are your joints feeling? How is your digestion? You don't need a novel, just a few words. For example, day 3, less stiffness in my hands this morning. Slept well. Self-observation connects the dots between the habit and how you feel. It provides reinforcement and motivates you to continue, transforming a simple dietary change into an empowering journey toward better health.